Hello, this is Shweta Nagpal from Chandigarh, a BTech student, Computer Science. Today I'm here to talk on Windows Phone 7. It is the next upcoming version of Windows mobile operating systems, which has been developed by Microsoft. Microsoft's basic goal behind this new version of Windows Mobile is to create an excellent user experience by redesigning the user interface, strictly handling the hardwares it runs on, integrating the operating systems with other services available. Microsoft officially unveiled Windows Phone 7 during the Mobile World Congress 2010, which was held on 15th of Feb. Circled up on in its own MIX 2010 on March 15, in which it revealed some of the basic holes which were left behind in the story of Windows Phone 7, which were particularly the details about the application development ecosystem and about the third party being able to make an excellent use of the features available. The basic key behind the application development ecosystem was that they are using Xene, Silverlight and the .NET framework. Well, the .NET Compact framework will not be supported. Now, about the primary tools which have been used for the development are the Microsoft Visual Studio 2010 and the Expression Blend. Now, Silverlight being Microsoft's Flash alternative will be making its first appearance with the Windows Phone 7, just the upcoming version of Windows mobile operating systems. While Xene, the technology that underpins Xene games and the Xbox content, will now be powering 2D and 3D games in the Windows Phone 7. The Windows Phone 7 has gravitated around two possibilities, that is Xene and Silverlight. Well, it also has a framework of .NET, but the main working has been done on Silverlight and Xene. Silverlight. Talking about Silverlight, the programmers have been impatiently waiting for the upcoming version of Windows Mobile with the help of using Silverlight. Silverlight has already given the web developers a power to develop user interfaces using the traditional inputs, the animations, media, graphics and the other run-up available. Xene, the three-letter word, is specifically for Xene is not an acronym. It is a Microsoft game platform which is used to make up 2D and 3D games available, which is used to make up 2D and 3D games graphics with a traditional game loop architecture. Although Xene is targeted for writing games for Xbox 360 console, it can also be used for PC itself, while it has already made lots of games and new application developments for the Zone as either Silverlight or Xene. Both will make a good experience for the Windows Phone 7, for the upcoming version of Windows Phone 7, which will be developed soon. But taking in care with the decisions made by Microsoft, it says that both Xene as well as